Bought tickets you now regret? Don't panic, refunding Eventbrite tickets can be surprisingly simple. Let's walk through it. First, head over to eventbrite.com on your computer or open the Eventbrite app. Then, locate your profile icon, usually found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Tickets. This will take you to a list of all events you've purchased tickets for. Find the event for which you want a refund. Next to the event details, you'll typically see 3 dots. This is an ellipsis icon. Click on it. A small menu will pop up. Click on Request a Refund. Note that some events might not allow refunds, so if you don't see this option, it means the event organizer has disabled refunds or the refund period has expired. You'll be directed to a refund request form. Fill in the required information, usually the reason for your refund. Be clear and concise. Once you've completed the form, submit your request. You'll usually see a confirmation message indicating that your request is pending review by the event organizer. The time it takes to receive a refund will vary depending on the organizer's policies and processing times. Keep an eye on your email for updates.